With no predators to keep them in check, herbivore populations exploded. Some of those critters quickly nommed their way through their typical food supply, and when that wasn't enough, they started chowing down on stuff they normally passed over, ultimately devouring every plant part they could. Meanwhile, others, like leafcutter ants, carried away plant debris so fast that nothing was left to decompose on the forest floor and replenish the nutrients in the soil that plants need. The few scrappy species that could tolerate these conditions ran wild. In the words of the scientists, removing the top predators unleashed an ecological meltdown. And the Lake Guri Islands are not the only example of such a predator-free catastrophe. Similar meltdowns have happened in places that have lost wolves, sea otters, and even sea stars. So in the end, it turns out that predators aren't preventing that perfect utopia. Instead, they're a huge part of maintaining it. In many parts of the ocean, sharks are those apex predators, but as shark populations crash due to overfishing and climate change, we are just starting to understand how their disappearance could affect all sorts of marine ecosystems.